it's pretty fucking deep down here, mate. I see how fucking Mikey almost... I thought, mate, hit your fucking truck for a minute.
No, it's just the water.
That's what I said to the lady. Oh, stop it, mate. Look how fucking deep he's going. Shit, mate, he's right in. Mate, he's right in, mate.
Once the little guitar is out as well,
Oh, right.
we'll go. Are you stuck?
He's stuck. Oh.
Guy in the orange one, come back. I think the Vitara's stuck.
You can't go in there, mate.
Mark, by the way.
Is that his name?
Oh, there he goes.
Hey, he's out, don't worry.
What's his name, Mark?
Mark.
Mikey and me are coming back down now.
They ain't coming back, are they?
Tell him it's alright.
No, that's right, mate. They've probably spoke to him. My bad, let's keep fucking going. Holy fuck a duck.
You wet?
No? Smoking. That's actually quite good, actually. That wasn't that bad as I thought. Just keep on going, mate, with the others as far as you.
No, I just want to make sure they're...
Oh yeah, stop, because he's only small, isn't he?